So this here is the front face frame where there'll be 3 drawers inside there. So that's just mortise and tenon together, nice and easy. We got that done yesterday. And then there's the 2 legs that come into the side. Now, the way that I'm going to connect this stile to that leg is that I'm going to run a groove down here and a tongue down there and slot that in there. And this is the side of the bedside panel. So you've got the 2 legs on the outside, a bottom rail, a top rail, and 2 stiles. Now, on the bottom and top rails, there's going to be a tenon in here that goes into the legs there. I'll put a tongue along here, which also extends across the top of this rail there, which will connect into the legs along there. And that should make a nice, neat joint from the visible faces. So first up, we need to machine these legs into 40 by 40 stock. And we hook it at the back, we lift up the front, we get it all good, we hook the steel thingo on there, a little bit tighter, and she's good to go for another week. Straight down here to accept this side stile, and that side stile will sit flush with the inside of that leg there. So I want the outside of the groove to be exactly 20 millimeters away from that back edge or less, because if it's less I can always shave this down and fit it in there, but if I go too far that way then I'm just going to have a great big ugly gap. So I'm going to aim for 19.8. By the time I take a couple of shavings off there, it'll fit in there just perfect. Well, although I didn't do very much today, I'm just going to sit here and fit these tenons to the stiles wherever I can and call it quits for the day. So thanks very much for watching. I'm getting a little bit burnt out here, but tomorrow I'll be back in action.